Hello traders, Rich here, and today we are going to learn how to use Bitget crypto exchange platform. So let's get started, and as usual, cheers. As per my last video, we know that Bitget has over 1.5 million users worldwide. It's listed on CMC, CoinGecko, and CryptoAdventure. It's also listed in 4 different countries like the US, Canada, Australia, and Singapore. But how to use its platform? First, you need to sign up and log in, of course. Then you'll be able to see this page. You go here where you can update your account information, upload your verification documents, or also known as KYC, and of course, customize your security settings and so on. Then you will need to deposit or buy crypto, right? So you click here and you've got many payment methods like Visa card, MasterCard, or even bank transfer, and so on. So you choose the payment methods that suits you best. And of course, you have to choose the amount that you would like to deposit and choose which instrument you want to deposit with. For example, you can choose Bitcoin, Ethereum, and so on. I personally would like to always deposit USDT and then use this USDT to buy or to transfer it to any instrument or coin that I would like to. But again, it depends on you. To be able to deposit via these payment methods, you need to verify your account first. If you don't want to verify your account first, then someone needs to send you USDT or Bitcoin or whatever. In this case, you will have to find your address. You go to assets, and of course, you can click on the eye and see how many like Bitcoin and USDT do you have. However, I would like to keep it private for this video. Then you scroll down and search for the instrument that you want, for example, USDT, and you go to deposit. And then you will give your friend or anyone the network. Make sure that you are choosing the correct network. For example, TRC, ERC, or BEP. You can choose anyone. For example, let's choose BEP20. And then this is your address. You will copy it, and you have to send your friend or this someone the network name and this address. You can click on copy and send it to him. Then he will send you USDT. And make sure that he will send you USDT. Because if he sends you like Ethereum, for example, it will get lost because this is your USDT address. For example, if you want him to send you Bitcoin, you go to Bitcoin and you find the address of Bitcoin. And as you can see, it's different. Okay, so every instrument or coin has different address. Okay, so now you have your USDT or whatever you have in your account, and you want to transfer it or you want to buy another coin. You go to spot trading. Of course, you can trade it on margin, which I don't personally do. But anyway, we'll check it out in a bit. And also you check the copy trade. But now let's take it step by step. So I personally like to trade it to buy and hold. I use spot trading. The platform is straightforward and easy to use. All you need to do is to search for the coin or the instrument that you would like to buy. For example, you can find some here. You can scroll down and up. Let's say you want to buy Litecoin, right? I can see it here, but let's search for it for this video. You go here and you search for LTC, which is Litecoin, right? You click on it and you see its chart. And good thing is it's powered by TradingView because I personally use TradingView to do my main analysis. I do it on the main platform, but it's also good to see it here while you are buying. And of course, you can draw your levels. You can use whatever you want. You can write a text, use trend lines, and so on. I personally would like to use this one, the light version. However, at night it might hurt your eyes, so be careful. Right, but let's keep it the light one is like refreshing. So let's say you want to buy Litecoin, right? We have the charts. I don't like indicators. Anyway, you can do whatever you want. You can draw your trend lines. You can like draw arrows and so on. Anyway, it's not now about the analysis itself. You can find many other videos on my YouTube channel. Let's say you want to buy Bitcoin. You have two options, right? You have limit orders and you have market orders. Let's say you want to use limit. I don't personally use it, but let's go over it quickly. Let's say I want to wait for Litecoin to approach like 137 to buy immediately, right? So you can go here, you can go on 137, and you can choose how many Litecoins do you want to buy when it reaches 137, right? And I personally don't like limit orders as mentioned. I like to enter it directly through market execution. And I have available 0.8 USDT. I don't usually keep USDT. I just like deposit and buy whatever coin I would like to. So anyway, let's say you have your USDT here and you have to do like buy it now, right? You have to choose how many or how much you want to buy. You go to total, and of course you can choose, just like any exchange platform, you can choose how many, like percent. Let's say you have $100 and 100 USDT, of course, and you want like to go and buy Litecoin with 50% of your capital. Then when you do this, you will buy like $50 worth of Litecoin. As you can see, the total is 0.4, which is half of the 0.8 that I have, right? But I usually don't like to use this one, even though it's a good feature. I usually like to enter like with $100. I want to enter, I want to buy 100 USDT or dollars worth of Litecoin. And of course, I can click on Litecoin, and vice versa in case I want to sell my Litecoins and transfer it back to USDT. I personally don't sell, I just like to buy and hold. Okay, but now you know how to use, and it's very straightforward. Now, when you buy it, you can go here to assets and you'll see how much Litecoin do you have. You just bought, in this example, $100 worth of Litecoin. You'll see it here, and you can see it when you click on the eye. You can see how much or how many Litecoins you have. Now we still have two features, the copy trade and the contract, which is margin trading. Let's start with the copy trade, which is an interesting feature. You go here and you click on copy trade. This way you'll be able to mirror the trades of another trader. Let me clarify. First, you need to find a trader who is not full. For example, all these traders are full, 50 over 50, 100 over 100, and so on. So you need to scroll down and find a trader who still have some room that you can click on the follow button, right? Just like this one, and so on, right? There are plenty of traders, so you need to choose carefully the best one that suits your risk appetite, expectations, and so on, right? So do your homework and only choose the trader that suits you best. Let's click on this one just for this video, right? You can check his results for the past 3 weeks, his overall results, the trades that he's entering, the leverage he's using, and so on. Let's say I want to follow this trader. You simply click on follow, and this way you will copy every single trade that he takes. You click on confirm, and you can even choose you can click here, and you can even choose your stop loss, your take profit, the leverage that you would like to use, and so on. So do your homework, just play with it, and only follow the trader that you believe that suits you best. Now let's check the contract. You go here and click on USDT. Now you can see the chart that you are trading. For example, now we are trading Bitcoin. If you want to trade any other instrument or coin, you click on it. For example, you have Ethereum, Litecoin, and so on. If you click on Ethereum, the chart will be updated, and now you are trading and seeing Ethereum chart. Let's get back to Bitcoin and make a quick example. First of all, you need to choose your leverage, right? So you click on leverage, and you can choose up to 125x. You can choose 5x, 10x, up to 125x. I personally don't use leverage, but for those who would like to trade it on margin, now you know how to do it. Let's say I want to choose 10x, and I click on confirm. Then I have to choose a limit order or a trigger order or market execution, right? And then I choose the amount and click on buy long or sell short. And of course, when I open it, I will see the order here, so I can keep track of it. And the most important feature, or the interesting feature, is the simulation. Let's click on it. It's very important for those who would like to try their strategy and test their skills before risking their own money. It's like a demo account or virtual money, right? And no matter which market you are trading, whether it's Forex, crypto, stocks, I always recommend that you try it out, test it out on simulation first, or on a demo account first. And this is what it's all about, which is very important and crucial to trading success. When you click on it the first time, you will see a pop-up message that you now got 0.5 Bitcoin. And of course, it's virtual money, right? It's not real money. If you scroll down, you can see it's SBTC, which is simulation Bitcoin, right? For you to test your strategy and skills, as mentioned before. And just like example I showed you before, you click on leverage, how much leverage you want to trade with. Let's say I want to trade with 100K and so on. You have pending position. It's okay. I already tested it out, and you click on it, and then you click on limit order, trigger, and so on, right? And you choose the amount that you want to trade with, and you click on buy long or sell short. I already tested it out with another trade, and you can see it here, and you can keep track of it. And for now, for example, it's floating positive, and you can also close it. You click on here, and you can update the closing price. Let's say I want to close it here and click on close, right? So now if you scroll up, you see that now I made some profit. It was 0.5, now it's 0.5051 and so on, right? And let's make another example now live. If you click here, I want to trade like with leverage multiple. I also have one more position, open orders. Yes, I still have this one, cancel, and this is it. Okay, so now we can trade and 10x, confirm, let's say, and let's say I want to buy Bitcoin using a limit order. I want to buy it when it reaches 40K. Okay, so I simply enter 40K here, and I click on the quantity that I want to buy, 100 Bitcoins and so on, and I click on buy long or sell short. When I click on it, I can see here that when, and it's not filled yet, right, unexecuted, when price goes down to this limit order, then it will get filled, right? And of course, I can choose the trigger order, which is market execution, which means to buy now. And of course, you can check the PLN when it is activated. Of course, you can even fill in the stop loss and take profit. That's it for Bitget. Let me know if you've tried it before or not, and what are your thoughts. If you have any questions, feel free to post it in the comment section below. And if you like the analysis and learning materials, make sure to subscribe and like this video to reach more traders. Best of luck, and I'll see you on the next one.